Okay, let's continue with the plumbing drawing on the 4th level. I'm working on the vent system. And on the 5th level, it is similar. I have a similar plumbing layout. And what I want to do is copy paste these fixtures and place them on the 4th level. So this is copy to clipboard. I'm going to go to the 4th level and paste into the current view. Okay, so that's that. And the first thing I need to do is pin, and I think I need to pin these guys. Some of them, all of them, none of them. Okay, I want to pin and pin them. Okay, now let's go back to 4. And as you can see, 4 is similar to 5. Let's go back to 4, and this is the vent. Okay, and let's see if we can go here and go back to 5, and it's coming up. So what we can do is let's put a note on here for the contractor. Annotate text, and we can choose 4. This is just regular text with no arrow, and there's 3 options with arrows. Okay, so this is going to be a 2-inch. Vent. It depends on your office standards. TB is 2 below. Okay, you can have from below, 2 above. Depends on your office standards. So I'm gonna just put on the 4th level 2 below, and then on the 5th level, that's the 5th level, 2 below. Okay, and on the 5th level, vent could be 2 TA, but I'm gonna leave it like that. That's the vent. What about, let's go down one more. Let's go 3. Level 3. Okay, so you can see that level 3 is going to be the same. Let's go back. So what I could do is say, let's go, no. Then, annotate. I gotta slow down my fingers. Annotate text, and we are gonna go here. That is a 2-inch 2-inch vent up and down, right? Up and down. So that's that, and let's synchronize. So because it's similar, not a lot of piping is going on. So what's this? Oh, it's 4. Okay. So now what I have to do is create a similar 3P501 view, or it's going to be a reference. In the view call out, it will reference, you're referencing 3. Okay. Let's go here and here. Okay. And now it is referencing 3, the 3rd level, the 3rd detail on sheet P501. And if I choose this, right click and go to view, and you can see that it's more detailed, but the text has to be, what you're going to have to do on this partial plan is you can start to annotate your fixtures and put in notes on your partial plan. So I would say let's go non-leader and free in non-leader laboratory and laboratory. It's water closet, clothes washer. There's my shower. You can put it anywhere for now. And then when the text is going to dictate where is going to dictate where your tag for your fixture is going to be, because sometimes the pipe gets in the way, so you're going to have to move it around, whichever is best. I'm going to sync. Okay, so let's look at this. The reason you can have this, you're calling out your plumbing fixtures, and let's go to edit type. And down here it says this is a type mark that Revit uses, and this can be anything. It can be L-1, depends on your office. Okay, so that changed. You see how that updates. Okay, and what you can do, the reason this is acting like this is because it is a tag that can be edited. Okay, so I just chose it, and now I can edit that label. That label has a parameter name called type mark that links it to the type mark and its properties in the project. Okay, it's going to link to that particular plumbing fixture, and whatever is in this type mark, which is part of the parameters, it will display. Okay, so that's how that's done. There's not a lot of magic to it. And the same thing for the pipes. What's going on here? Okay, so the pipes can be the same thing. Let's do annotate. I like to tag by category when it comes to pipes because they are automatic. You can do a lot of things with the pipes in terms of calling them out. Okay, so this is calling out a 2-inch vent. Okay, but you can control that also. Let's go back category, and here I want a leader that the choice is either free in or attached in. If I choose attached in, it's going to do that. And there's not a lot of things you can do with that. It's too much. I mean, you can eventually, but you see it attaches to the pipe. Okay, let's do that again. Category leader attached in. Yeah, it's just there. Okay, so I don't like it like that because you're not in control like you are with the other option, and the other option is leader, but it's a free in. Okay, so you can come here, go here, and you have more control over what you're doing. Okay, so you can come here, do the same. That's a 2-inch vent. Come here, tag it like that, and that's a 2-inch vent. I think that what I'm gonna do, that's on 5. That's labeled on the overall, right? Where's 5? So it's labeled here. 2-inch vent, 2 below. So there's a lot of things going on coordinating your drawing. A lot of it doesn't have to do with pipes all the time. A lot of it has to do with coordinating. Okay, put in that's P501. So I can go down here, this is P501, and it's number 3. So if we double click on P501 and go to the third, is this the third one? Yeah. Okay, so this is the drawing we just worked on, adding the call outs for the plumbing fixtures and put in a few tags on them. But this is on the sheet, okay? This is a partial vent floor plans. This is the sheet that you can, right, if I right click, oh, it's okay. So I can just, depending on the title block, you can, which is a family, right? You can edit it, okay? However your office standard is, but I'm gonna leave mine like this for now. But your drawings go on your plot sheet. I'm going to close this out and go back to 4th. Okay, so this is the 4th level, and it's similar to P3501. You can right click on it. 3P501. There must be a way to, because when the contractor looks at this, I mean, they probably know based on, because it's part of the standard, really. So, but it just seems like there's no way for the contractor to know where this drawing is. Well, he's gonna, let's do 5 again. Let's do L5. Let's go L5. And we can go 5 all the way down the bottom. Similar. So on that sheet, this is gonna be the master copy. Okay, so they can see how it's worked out. Okay, so that's that, and this is this. And what we can do, what's on 5? Okay. And the same thing for the other drawing. Let's go. Is there a vent? Where's the vent? This vent is going where? This vent is going where? Let's go to that view. 5, 4, 5. And what's going on? It's going down. Okay, and what I'm looking for is I need the extension of this vent on 5 going down. So I'm looking at this section so I can bring it, I'm bringing the pipe down, all the way down. See, it continues. That's the 3rd level, okay. So we will continue to bring the vent down, and it should show up on the 4th level here. I'm concerned about this wall, and let's go, okay, this section, Okay, it looks like it's okay. Let's find out what it is. I'm gonna unselect that link so I can find out what this wall is doing. I chose a tab. Wow, look how thick it is. What is it, 12 inch? 6 inch. Okay, and you can edit. So this is how you can edit well, you can't edit it, but you can look and see what's going on. Okay. You got 5/8, where's the 6, 5, 3 and 5/8. So there's two of them. Okay, 3 and 5/8, and you 5/8 on both sides. Okay. So that's the 3 and 5/8 inch, 3 and 5/8 inch. Let's go back to 4 and this grid line. Okay, let's go back. I think it's okay. No, it's okay. All my disciplines are on. Let's find out. Everything is on. Okay, let's cancel. Looks good. Okay. Now, let's go back to 4 and see that we can do the same for 5. Do the same on 4. Looking at 5, we got 1, P501. Let's go back and we can do the same thing. Let's go to view and we are going to reference 1, 501. Okay, you go here. Not a lot of piping because it's already been done. That's the beauty of high-rise when you're doing plumbing. So we've taken care of 2 floor plans that's already been taken care of. And if you look at 1, let's go here. Let's go to the view, and 1 is here. And as you can see, these are the vents. 5. I like, man, there has to be 2 inch. So let's do a text and same. That's a 2 inch vent. That's a 2 inch vent down because it's on 5. Let's go DN. Okay. And I'm going to sync. So when the contractor is looking at these drawings, you have to give them a map. Actually, that's what it is. I'm going to erase this. Okay. So you want your drawings to look halfway decent. Let's go here. And let's go here. I guess. Yeah. Okay. Can I move it down a little bit? Is that gonna? Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm going to synchronize this, and I'm gonna stop here, guys. So we just finished 2 plumbing floor plans by using callout references. Okay, so I hope that helped, guys. We will working. So looks like we're gonna have to do some plumbing work in this area. Okay, so I hope that helped, guys, and I will talk to you guys later.